I always like to start with the wipes. So I'm going to go through these quickly. They're just baby wipes. I use them for a lot of different things. I keep them in several different areas in the house, so there's always a lot of them. And they're great for everything. So I have some Huggy ones that got at a discount. These were great. Parents' Choice as always. This is the fresh scent. And then I have 5 Powder Fresh Parent Choice wipes. These are great. I love the scent. Great for everything. Really nice wipes and affordable. Cotton swabs from Equate. This is the 500. I have like a little container I like to refill in the bathroom, and I always buy the big container at Walmart. I like these. These are good. In my opinion, these are better than the DollarTree ones. They don't snap in half or come apart in your ear, which is very dangerous. So I like these Equate ones a lot. I also went through one of these Johnson's safety swabs for Connor. There's 55 in here. These are great. The DollarTree ones are fine, and these safety ones, so I sometimes pick them up from there too. But, moving along the lines of Connor, we went through one of these fizzy tub colors. There's 9 watercoloring tablets in here. These are fun. Always loves those. I have a Ninja Turtles 3-in-1 body wash, shampoo, and conditioner and Power Punch. This smells so good. It was a purple tint, and as always, the kids love these awesome little bottles. And we also have one of these Mr. Bubble Foam soaps, and it was in cotton candy. These are 8 ounces, and honestly, don't even use this as soap, just to play with the foam in the tub. That's always fun. He loves it. I have a Health Smart hand sanitizer. This is in Sweet Pea. There is a little bit in there left. The nozzle did not work. I had to use a shorter nozzle, so I may try to get that out before I toss it. But this was great. I liked that it was scented. I found it at a little dollar store in town. More body wash of the Axe Dark Temptation. This one smells really good, and it works nice. And I also have a Bod Man spray. There's a teeny bit in there, but I wanted to show it in this Empties anyways because it's going to be gone soon. And it's in Blue Surf, and this is one of Connor's little sprays. And it smells great. I have some Bath & Body Works stuff as well today to share. I have the Be Joyful Shea and Vitamin E Body Lotion. I do like Bath & Body Works lotions a lot. The ones in the containers like this are a little bit thin. I like the creams best, but I have a bunch of these that I need to use up, so I started using up those. That scent is so nice. The Be Joyful scent is so nice. This scent's nice too. Perfect for spring is a Honey Sweetheart. These this one is discontinued. It was like a seasonal thing, and yeah, it looks like there's some in there, but none of it will like come down to the nozzle. So this one's done as well, and I really liked that one a lot. And I also have a Bath & Body Works shower gel. This is old packaging, but I have a lot of this stuff stored away in a big container that I bought over the years, and they're all still good, but I'm going to work through them this year. Black Amethyst shower gel. Their shower gels are amazing, and you get 10 fluid ounces, and this scent is one of my favorite scents. It's dark and musky and just a nice scent if you like scents like that. And I wish they still carried this. Love it. A spray that I have is the Body Fantasies Paradise Fantasy. This is like kind of like a coconutty vanilla scent, and it smells really good, but it's not something that I personally would repurchase, even though it does smell good. I think that it is definitely a seasonal kind of scent for summer, but it didn't linger a long time on the skin, so that's my beef with it. I'd rather buy like a Twilight Mist or one of their other ones that I know, like the musk one, that I know will last a long time on the skin, versus something like this goes away like by the time you step out of the bathroom. So I won't be getting that particular scent anymore. Moving on to some candles I have here. These are from the Dollar General. So I have candy cane cookies. This scent is nice in the jar, not so much out in the open. Good thing we got this on clearance, because from now on, unless I can get candles on clearance from the Dollar General, I will not be getting candles from the Dollar General because they've not been burning very well. Like, there's literally half of a candle still in there, and I keep digging the wick out and it keeps smothering itself out. It was not very strong either once burning. And then I have the same complaint about this one as well. This is Amber Spice, Weathered Oak, and Cashmere. Had high hopes for this one. It smelled good in the jar, barely any throw. Did not burn well at all, as you can see, because we still have the Weathered Oak and Cashmere both in the jar. Once again, completely smothering itself out over and over and over again. So, unless we can get these dirt cheap from Dollar General, we will not be getting any more candles from the Dollar General right now. And I have only 2 waxes, but this is Sensational's Pacific Coast Highway. It says California Dreamin'. This is just like a beachy kind of scent, kind of clean and coconutty. And then I have Cinnamon Apples, as easy as pie, and this is an apple scent. I really like apple scents, so no complaints with this one or this one. Those are both good. Makeup and skincare stuff here. And I have the Dollar General Nail Polish Remover Spill Proof Pump 100% Acetone. I believe this was under $2. And you get 8 fluid ounces. The product inside worked absolutely fine. Very quick to remove nail polish. This twists off, so you can reuse the bottle. The only thing is, on the back it claims that you can relock the bottle. The bottle does not relock, and when it does push out, like if you're going to use it for a brush, it literally shoots out, so beware of that. And but overall, great product. I will be getting that again. Something else that I can only find at the Dollar General are these Noxzema eyebrow razors. These are great if you can find them. A little bit more pricey than the ones you can find at Walmart, but they are great, and that's what they look like. Highly recommend these. I have a Mickey Mouse face mask, and this was a moisturizing mask. I did find this around Christmas. It was on clearance. I got 5 of these masks for $1.27 or something, so really worth it. And yeah, it's just nice to have a face mask every once in a while, and yeah, just a regular face mask. There's really nothing special on it. So from Garnier, I have the Skin Active Soothing Cleansing Milk, and this is the rose water one. You get 6.7 fluid ounces, and this product is really nice. It makes my skin so soft and silky after using it. It feels really enriched and moisturized, and I really like this product, so I will definitely be picking up another one of these. And I used this one and kind of rotated between this one and another one, so it took me a long while to get through this one, but that's okay because I really liked it. I have a makeup removers. I have the Skin Active Micellar Cleansing Water. This is the all-in-one waterproof makeup remover. 3.4 fluid ounces. This is the travel version. This stuff is wonderful. Definitely recommend it. It takes off all makeup in seconds. Very nice stuff. This one is just the micellar cleansing water, and this is the all-in-one mattifying one. This, I don't think it really did much for mattifying. It did remove makeup, but not near as quick as the one with the oil in it for waterproof. And I only got this 13.5 fluid ounce one because they did not have the waterproof one in at the time. So I would repurchase this one. It's not that it's bad, but I prefer the waterproof. They were both good products. And then I have a few more makeup items. So the Wet n Wild nail polish. This is in black cream. I use this to stamp. It's my go-to black nail polish. From time to time I might try other dollar black nail polishes or something, but this one I always go back to, and it's the Wet n Wild one. They are like 93 cents. Great stampers. They don't dry super quickly, so you can really stamp with them. And it's pretty opaque, pretty black. Not as black as some of the stamping polishes, of course, but it works on a budget. And they don't chip very quickly either, so definitely a plus with that. I have the e.l.f. High Definition Powder here. This stuff was great, fantastic. It was $6 when I bought it. I don't know how much it is now. Super finely milled setting powder. It's just a translucent white powder. I use under my eyes all the time. If I had a white powder under my eyes in the video, this was it. Fantastic. We'll buy that again. A couple of LA Colors products I have here, and these are the last products. I have the LA Colors Dramatic Lash in Dainty. These lashes are really good for $1 actually, but I only got about 3 uses out of it before they started kind of going a little wonky and would not apply right then. And for $1 and 3 uses, you really can't beat that. So I did like these. I loved how they looked on my eyes as well. And then last but not least, I have the LA Colors Browy Wowie. This recently got carded, so they want to take this off the shelves. If you're a fan of this, you definitely need to go stock up. I love that it has a spoolie on one end. Has pencil here, and literally it's just a little nub left. I can't really get much out of that. I might have to use a brush. Mine is in light medium, and this is just perfect for my dark hair. It's, you know, a shade or so lighter, so I definitely really love this for my brows. This product is amazing, so buy it before it gets completely gone. And that's Empties. I hope you guys enjoy the video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to check the description box for additional links. Don't forget to like the video, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell if you haven't already.